Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to do permutations and combinations in the calculator the easy way. So here we have a permutation question. How many ways could 3 out of 16 pool balls be knocked into the holes? So the order of knocking the pool balls matters, and once one is knocked into the hole, it's gone. Okay. In order to do this permutation, so we've got 16 pool balls, and we're choosing 3, okay, to be knocked into the holes. On the calculator, you're going to hit the math key. You're going to right arrow over to probability and notice NPR, okay? In order to use that on our TI-83s or TI-84s, you're going to need to hit the N value first. So I'm going to type in 16. I hit the math key. I go over to probability and I choose NPR. And then I put my R value in and hit enter. So the number of ways that 3 out of 16 pool balls could be knocked into the holes is 3,360. Okay. Here we have another pool ball problem. It's a combination problem. If we were to grab 3 pool balls out of a bag of 16 pool balls, how many combinations of 3 could there be? In this case, order doesn't matter. So we're going to have less options, and it's a combination. I've got 16 items to choose from. It's a combinations, and I'm choosing 3. So in the calculator, I'm going to type in the number 16. I hit the math key. I slide over to probability. I go to the number 3, and I type in our R value. So I have 16 and CR3. I hit enter. There are 560 combinations of 3 pool balls that there could be. This concludes this video.